Let's look at question number 1. This question reads thus: two horses are tied to opposite vertices of a rectangular field of length and breadth 6 and 6 root 2 meters. If they are tied with a rope of length 6 meters, what is the common area that both horses can graze? Let us look at this diagram. ABCD is a rectangular field. The two horses are tied at B and D, which are opposite vertices. AB is 6 root 2 and AD is 6. Each horse will draw an arc, will be able to graze in a quarter circle, in a quadrant, with centers D and B respectively and radius 6. There will be a common area in between, which is shown as a shaded area in this figure. The question asks for us to find the shaded area. Now, how do we find the shaded area? In order to get a better idea about this region, join BD, the diagonal. Now, we can think of this diagram as the intersecting area between two circles, each with center distance BD apart and radius 6 centimeters. Let's see how the common area in between those circles can be computed. Looked at from a different orientation, the figure looks very similar to the one shown in this diagram. We need to find the overlapping area between two circles, each of radius 6 meters, with centers set apart by 6 root 3 meters. In other words, we need to find the area of the shape EJFH as shown in the figure. This is equal to twice the area of the segment EJFG. Now we need to find area of the segment EJFG. Before that, we need to find the dimensions of the triangle BEF. How do we do that? Triangle BEG is a right triangle. So EG square plus BG square should be equal to BE square. We know BG is 6 root 3 by 2. We know BE is equal to 6, or EG should be equal to 3 meters. Or in other words, BE equal to BF equal to EF equal to 6 meters. Or triangle BEF is an equilateral triangle. Now, how do we use this? Looking at the same diagram for another way, we can see that area of the segment EFJ is area of the sector EJFB minus area of triangle BEF, and twice the area of this segment would be the area of the shape which overlaps between the two circles, which again is the common area which both horses can graze. Now, how do we find area of the sector EJFB? We know that triangle BEF is an equilateral triangle, so the angle subtended at the center is 60 degrees. So area of this sector is 1 by 6 into pi r square, which is 1 by 6 into pi into 6 square. Area of the triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, which is root 3 by 4 into 6 square. So area of the segment EJF is 6 pi minus 9 root 3. Common area that the two horses can graze is twice this area, which is 12 pi minus 18 root 3.